Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update on Winter Storm Iggy. Winter Storm Iggy is currently bringing widespread snow to areas of the Sierra Nevada of California, Nevada, Utah, and other areas of the Four Corners as of 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, January the 17th, 2023. So, going into tomorrow, this storm is going to slowly move across the Four Corners, bringing heavy snow to Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico. And as we go into Wednesday, this storm is going to redevelop over the plains, and we're going to be starting to see very heavy snow develop across portions of the Central Plains and Eastern Rockies Wednesday morning. Going into Wednesday afternoon, we're going to be seeing very heavy snow moving across the Central Plains into Iowa. We could even see some freezing rain across portions of southeast Nebraska and central Iowa Wednesday afternoon. Going into Wednesday evening, the snow is going to move across Iowa, southern Minnesota, Wisconsin, into Michigan by Thursday morning, and by Thursday afternoon, the snow is going to move across the Great Lakes, and we could start getting snow in the Northeast on Friday. So, looking at the snowfall accumulations for Winter Storm Iggy according to the North American model, we're going to be seeing widespread snowfall totals across Nevada and the Four Corners of anywhere between 4 inches and 1 foot. In the mountainous areas, we're going to be seeing snowfall totals anywhere between 6 inches and 2 feet. And then we're going to be getting a swath of very heavy snow moving across Nebraska, Iowa, southern Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan Wednesday and Thursday, bringing anywhere between 6 inches to up to 1.5 feet of snow with isolated 2 feet, especially across areas of Nebraska and Iowa. So this is going to be a pretty decent snowfall event, especially for the Central Plains. Looking at the GFS model for snowfall, GFS is showing similar totals with a bullseye across Nebraska of about 1 foot to 2 feet, and a little less across Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan of about 4 to 8 inches. And then looking at the European model for snowfall accumulations, the European model is still the most excited of all the models, bringing widespread totals of 4 to 12 inches across the Rockies, up to 2 feet in the mountains. But the European model is bringing widespread snowfall totals of 1 feet to 2 feet across Nebraska and up to South Dakota, Minnesota, about 6 inches to 1 foot. Same with Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And according to the Euro, there could be a bullseye across northern Nebraska of about 2 feet to maybe up to 25 inches. So looking at the winter weather watches, warnings, and advisories from the National Weather Service, we have winter weather advisories across several locations of the country in the purple. We have winter storm warnings in the pink across portions of Arizona, southwestern Utah, southern Nevada, the Sierra Nevada, portions of Colorado, New Mexico, and then we have a winter storm warning across northeast Colorado into Nebraska for Wednesday with Winter Storm Iggy, and a winter storm warning across eastern Maine, and then winter storm watches across northwest Kansas, much of Nebraska, far southeastern South Dakota, into far western Iowa. And unfortunately, Winter Storm Iggy is going to bring severe weather to the south, where we have a slight risk of severe weather across East Texas, northern central Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, western Mississippi on Wednesday, and a marginal risk in the dark green. So thanks for watching this evening's update on Winter Storm Iggy. Make sure you're preparing for a lot of snow if you live across the Eastern Rockies, the Central Plains, and the Upper Midwest for Wednesday and Thursday. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful evening, my friends.